So we heard the noise from the bell area. Okay, let's see. I guess we find a problem. Nothing. Not supposed to have this kind of noise. Okay, but this, they got a reason called the $1,000 tensioner. Look at what you gotta do to get to the tensioner. You gotta take this out, cooling fan, alternator, splash shield. Look at this. AC compressor, all above. Then you got to drain the coolant, everything. All right, to get to that 5 volt. To lose it, right there. This is new one. All right, that's the old one. It's a killer. Well, somebody got to do it, right? Alrighty then.